cat that passed by, and I think I know why. I feel like a big dog.
Never dies there. No one has a head. She's from Mars, or one of the 7 stars that shine after 3:30 in the morning. She came from planet Claire. She came from planet Claire. She came from planet Claire.
Well, I saw the thing coming out of the sky. It had a one long horn and one big eye. I commenced a shaking and I said, ooh-wee. It looks like a purple people eater to me. It was a one-eyed, one-horn flying purple people eater.
One-eyed, one-horn flying purple people eater.
A one-eyed, one-horn flying purple people eater sure looks strange to me.
One-eyed?
Well, he came down to earth and he lit in a tree. I said, Mr. Purple People Eater, don't eat me. I heard him say in a voice so gruff,
I wouldn't eat you 'cause you're so tough.
well, bless my soul, rock and roll, flying purple people eater, pigeon toad, undercoat, flying purple people eater.
I like short shorts.
Flying purple people eater, what a sight to see.
Purple people?
Well, he went on his way, and then what do you know? I saw him last night on a TV show. He was blowing it out, really knocking him dead, playing rock and roll music through the horn in his head.